Hey, we have a leak in my toilet today. I'll show you. Right here. Always running. Take off the cap. See the water dripping out? Does this all day long. If I have a quick fix, it takes about 3 minutes. Come down here. I'm going to turn off the water so we don't make a mess. So the water's off. Let me show you what we're doing. Here we have a full toilet fill valve kit. Now don't rush in and fix the kit all by itself right away, because what you have is a simple leaking little valve or diaphragm valve right there, kind of like a washer. What you do is you push this down, you turn it just like that, pull it off, and you'll notice this little washer guy right here. So what happens is they age, they crust, they get kind of dirty and messy in there. You might be able to clean that up, or simply I just replaced the whole thing. So we're going to show you how to replace it. You'll get the new unit that's leaking. You'll simply put this back in, just like this, okay? That's easy enough. And from the top, you'll simply insert it like this, push down, and turn, and it locks in place. And we'll do that for the real one right inside there. Now back to our leaky valve. The water's still off. Detach the unit from the arm that holds afloat. Push down on the top, spin a little counterclockwise. You lift it up, and this is our damaged little disc valve. You pull it off the unit real simply. You notice a little pin here. Don't damage the pin. We got our new little valve, this one here. Thread it through the pin. And I like to do a little extra pushing. Get them all nice and secure in there. Make sure there's no creases or tears or anything. All right. Stick it right back on top. The same orientation you pulled it off. Push down, spin until it stops. Detach the arm later. But first we test the water and see if she leaks. There we are. Perfect. Put the little cap back on. She'll snap right in place. And that's how you fix our little valve you got here. Just like that. Cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.